In this video, I'm going to be revealing a copy and paste strategy that can help you earn $100 per day, even more if you really want to. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a strategy of how you can literally copy and paste and you can earn $100 per day. I have to be honest and really transparent with you guys. This is not something magical. This is not something, like a miracle. You need to put the hours. You need to watch the entire video. You need to be consistent and you can earn, as I mentioned before, $100 even more online. We're going to be using some pages, but don't worry, it's not something actually crazy. Let me share with you actually my screen here really fast. As you can see right now, here I have some payments. Okay, here for example, I have $100 payment. Here I have a $9 payment. I have another $100, nine, 100, 100, 165, nine, nine, 165, and so on. So this is actually something that is actually works. So we are going to be using Fiverr. As you know, this is a website in which people can offer their services. You are not going to be offering your service. You are going to be recommending other people's service and in exchange of a commission, but we are going to be using this wisely. So you're going to go to fiverr.com. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click here where it says affiliate. Okay. Sometimes they change it. So you just need to make sure that you find here affiliates and that's it. Okay, here you're going to land on this page. It's actually going to look like this. It's going to tell you like, hey, you can become a Fiverr affiliate. Okay, there are three types of affiliate. I suggest you to go with the pro service. The reason why I suggest you to go with the pro service is because as you can see, the first time they use it, the commission is way higher. It's actually 70%. And if they keep ordering in the future for the next 12 months, you're going to be earning 12%. You're going to click here. Sorry, 10% for the next 12 months. Okay. So you're going to click here. You're going to fill out a form. It's super easy, super simple to fill it out. And most likely you're going to be instantly approved. I'm not 100% sure if they are approving people right away because I do have my Fiverr affiliate account open for some years right now. Okay. So here you can see here, enjoy instant commission ranging from 25 to even 100% of the customers for order and 10% revenue share for all future orders placed by the customer in the first 12 months. Okay, so we are going to go here where it says default and deep links. This is the one that we're going to be using because we are going to be using deep links. Okay, this is what we are going to be using. So move there. I'm pretty sure that you might be here on the dashboard. Okay, so go here where it says marketing tools and then go here where it says default deep links. Okay, so these are your links, but we are going to be promoting a specific geeks. Okay, we're going to be promoting a specific gigs. Just as an example, because we have tons of services here. Okay, I'm going with Google Ads, okay, because I know this is a service that I can offer to companies. Okay, so I can offer to companies because the more eyeballs they have, the more customers they're gonna get. So people most of the time they don't know how to run ads on Google. And if they have an expert that is gonna be managing that and optimizing it and giving them results, okay, people are going to be actually really happy. There is a lot of people out there who are offering the service. For example, here we have, by the time recording this video, because it hasn't really changed, here, these are the top freelancers for your first order. Okay. These are the ones that they recommend for people who are actually taking an order. As you can see, for example, this guy, okay, his prices goes from 150, sorry, 180 and 907 person, okay, already makes a purchase. Well, Most of the time, it's actually more because these are the ones who decided to place a review. So let's say that people went with the minimum. Okay, people went with the minimum because remember this is for 180. So chances are that we have other plans. Okay, so 180 times 907. Okay, over $150,000. Okay, so this is a service that is actually really on demand. Okay, for example, we have this one from 385 times. Okay, over $40,000. So people are actively looking for this. Okay, so once you have the one that you like and you feel comfortable, if I'm just getting started, I will go with the ones that Fiverr is actually recommending me because, you know, they chances are that they provide a great experience and all this stuff. So let me go with this one. Okay. Here I have this one. I already click on it. So he has three plans. The basic one, it's 180. The second one is 230. And the third one is 400. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this link and we're going to go to Fiverr. Okay. We're going to go to Fiverr and remember that we're going to click here where it says deep link. Now you're going to page this, which is the landing page. So that means that I'm going to be promoting that specific landing page. And now what's the link that I'm going to be promoting is this one. Okay. This is the actual link. Well, to be honest, no, this is not the actual link that I want to be promoting because this go to a marketplace. I'm going to go with this one, with the pro, because this is the plan that helps me and make sure that people, that Fiverr rewards me with a 70% commission. Okay. And that's what I'm looking for, the 70% commission. So I almost make a mistake. Okay. So this is the one that I'm going to go with, the pro one. Now, how you can promote this? There are several ways in which you can promote this. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so now, how do you promote this? Well, we're going to be using a tool that we already know. You can go to Google and, for example, here, type plumbers in Houston, Texas. Okay. I can literally visit this website. I can fill out the form and just offer the service. Remember, you are not the person who is going to be delivering the service. You are going to refer an expert who is going to be doing the service. So literally you can do that. I already have over 4 million results here. So that's a lot of websites. Okay. Not every company accept it. Okay. But there are companies who are going to be interested. Also, you can go to the map section. Okay. And here on Google Map, you even have the telephone numbers. You even have more websites. Okay. And you can reach them as well. You can also go to Google and type, for example, plumbers. Okay. Then I have quotation, then gmail.com. This is a prompt that you can use. As you can see, it found Gmail accounts that are related to plumbers. So you can start sending them cold messages via email. Which are the messages that you're going to be sending? Okay. If you ask me like, Diana, do you suggest me to use a professional email account or a Gmail account? At the end of the day, it's going to be up to you. I prefer to use a professional email address, but I know that people use Gmail addresses. Because as you can see, these are businesses and they're using Gmail accounts, although they have a professional email address. Sorry, a professional domain. So here on ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT like, hey, please help me write in an email. I'm going to be sending this email to business owners offering Google Ads service in order to improve the visibility of their service. Okay, so ChatGPT wrote the email for me. It says, subject, boost your visibility, your business visibility with target Google Ads, blah, 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 the benefits and all the stuff. And I actually, um, I actually need to fix this because it's asking for a quick call. I can tell them like, okay, avoid the quick call and give a call to action. Okay. So they can click the link. Okay. So it's actually helping me. Okay. So here, if you're ready to get started, reply to your email or visit blah, blah, blah to learn blah, blah, blah. So I can actually put my affiliate link there. Okay. Of course, you can improve this, right? Of course, you can improve this. So this is actually some examples, and this is actually how you can do this. But again, guys, remember, if you want to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online, you want to know, how to do this in a professional way, how to earn an extra income, check the very first link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.